potential inside. Today I praised with all my might. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Rub your hand. Put it in a face. Rub your hand. Put it in a face. Relax. Do you know what we have to do next? Everyone love dancing. Everyone love dancing, yes or no? Just tell me, anyone. Everyone love dancing or not? I also dance today with you all. Everyone stand up. Just a second, I also stand up, okay? Just set up. Okay. Do. Right, right. Super, super, stop. Super. Lovely. My song is audible to everyone? Yes or no? What song is that? Who will say to me?
Jingle bells.
Jingle Bell. Did you know everyone Jingle Bell song?
Jingle bells.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on the sleigh. Shall we once again? Shall we start? Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on the sleigh. Who will say this rhymes? Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on the sleigh. Okay, super, super. If you want to drink water, drink. If you want to drink water, no. Okay, shall we start?
Short.
Okay. Who will do roly poly for me? Who will do roly poly for me? Nishwant? P. Nishwant, are you want to do roly poly? Yes or no? Santa is doing, yes.
Do roly poly. Do roly poly.
Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly. Big, big, big. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly. Fast, fast, fast. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly. Up, up, up. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly. Down, down, down. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly. Narrow, narrow, narrow. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly. Broad, broad, broad. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly. Close, close, close. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly. Open, open, open. Yes, roly poly, roly. Roly poly, roly. Fast, 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 fast. Do, 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 do. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly.
Slow motion.
Slow, slow, slow. Wow, superb, superb. Very good, very good. Everyone ready for your activity? Where's your craft? Be ready for your craft. Everyone ready for your craft?
Oh, sorry, ready, ma'am. Sir.
Ready, ma'am.
Ready? Okay, very good. Take your pop stick. Everyone take a pop stick. Take the pop stick and make it this triangle. Take it as a triangle. Yes, yes. Take it as a triangle. Take it as a triangle, everyone. Yes, take a time and do. Yes.
No, it's bubbling, Mama. It's bubbling, Mama. Jingle bell, jingle bell,
Yes, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on the sleigh. Take it as a triangle. Everyone take it. Triangle shaped. Take it as a triangle. Yes, yes. Very good, Satvik mom. Sorry, yes. Very good, Harshit mom. Yes, yes. Wait for others. Let it make it dry. Just a second. Finished it. Put it in the table itself. Let it be. Make it dry. Yes, very good. Sai. Very good. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Pritika, what about you? Where are you? Pritika, where are you?
Here I am. Here I am, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Very good. Everyone is completed about this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So take the golden seat, everyone. Take the golden seat. Yes. Make the star in golden seat backside. Small star according to your pop stick. This much big. Okay? Make a star backside and cut it. I will show you. Make a star like this and cut it. Make a star and cut it. We like this. Yes, star for everyone. And stick it here. Make the star and stick it. Star like this. Now we have to decorate our Christmas tree, na? Make a star with the golden seed. Yes. Like this. Now other part I will give it to you kids, not for your parents. Just show me. Completed the star part. Yeah, okay. Now stick it.
How many stars, ma'am?
Only one star, ma'am.
Okay.
Only one star and stick it up corner. Stick it in one corner. Yes, very good. Very good. Just wait for others. Okay. If you completed the star part, take a brown color sheet. Yes, very good. Lovely. Take a brown color sheet. Yes. Now cut it rectangle shape, small rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. Yes, very good, Sai Lakshmi. Yes. Oh, yes, I cut it. You cut it, just you have to stick it back side like this. You cut it, stick it like back side like this. Or this, as for you comfortable. Yes. So stick like this. Yes, very good. Now parents, what you have to do after this finishing this part, yes, very good, very good. After the finishing this part, parents, what you have to, you don't need to do anything, okay? Just give it to the kids. Do the Fevicol like this and give it to the kids. Put the Fevicol like this. Put the Fevicol in the pop stick and give it to the kids. They will stick this cotton balls. Give it to the cotton balls to the kids. They will stick the cotton balls. You don't need to stick. Give it to this part to the kids. You only have to do this dot point with this Fevicol. Yes. Yes. Give it to this part, kid. Different color you stick it. No need to stick one color. Okay. If you have different colors, you stick that color. Okay. Like this, you have to stick. Sorry. Make it dry. Afterwards, let it make it dry. Otherwise, it will become. This sticking part, give it to the kids. My yeah. Yeah. I want to see. Are you sticking or not? I want to see. Yes. Just give a dot. Yes. Satvik, just you have only one color cotton balls. Do you have
Yes,
only one
ma'am.
color? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We didn't get cotton balls in my hometown.
Okay. Okay.
We are making with cotton.
Okay. Okay. P. Nishwant, are you also making with the cotton only? Like this, you have to stick.
Christmas. Christmas.
Yes. Show me, Pritika. Just make it dry. 2 minutes. Wait, Pritika. Just make it dry, Kanna. Otherwise, all the balls will be come out. Like when I show to you now, it will be come out. Let it be dry. Then I will tell you the next. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Sai Lakshmi, you use thermocol balls. Okay. Okay. Nice. After finishing this, make it dry. After it will be dry, the cotton will be dry. Then if the cotton will be stick on the pop stick, then what you have to do? Take any thread. If you have any thread, back side you have to stick as a hanging purpose. Wait, I will show to you. like this. Did you see backside I stick? I want to hang in my wall. That's why any thread, if you have any thread, stick it backside. After just make it dry, then you do. Afterwards you can do. Just make it dry. Wow, superb, Kaushik. Nice. Just make it dry and then you put it backside hanging thread. Parents, if you completed this part, just show me thumb. Because kids feeling so bored, so we play a game for the kid. Kids, are you ready to play a game? Yes? Yes? Okay. Then bring any letter, any toy item A, B, C and D related to the all A, B, C and D. Bring any 4 item like A for apple, B for whatever you have, any toy or fruits or whatever you have. C, letter C, recognize anything, any item you have. Letter D, if you have any item, just bring it fast. Go fast. Quick, 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 quick. Everyone stand up and quick. Everyone stand up. Go recognize. Go find out any item. Kaushik, Pinishwar, go and find out. Your parents don't give you anything. You have to find out all the things related.
Ma'am, can you show the craft one more time, ma'am?
No. We don't need to do the craft one more time.
No. Can you show that one more time? I'll just check if.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Everyone bring that? All the toys? Yes. Put it in one side. Put it in one floor, like arrange one side apple. If you have apple or whatever you have, put it in the floor. Put it in the floor. Any one item, it's similar. I want to be a similar part for everyone. So any one item who have a similar, any one item you have to show me. Similar. Apple one, okay. Apple. Ritika, do you have an apple?
Apple.
Do you have an apple at home?
That is apple. That is apple.
Do you have an apple? Everyone have an apple? Just show to me. Everyone have an apple? Yes. If you have an apple, put it in on the floor itself or table itself. Put it on the floor. It will be easy. We play a game and go back. I want to see you. Go back with your camera like this. I want to see your full body. Go back. Yes. Yes. Sattvic form, just put the apple in the floor. Afterwards, you can wash this apple. Yes. Put it in the floor. Put it in the floor and go back. Go back. Yes. Yes. Apple is little far for you. Apple. I want little far for you, apple. Yes. Jasna, what about the Jasna, P. Nishwant and Kaushik? Where are you? Who will win this game now? I have a surprise for you, everyone. Okay? I have a surprise for you. Everyone come fast. Don't touch the apple. Go back. Go back. I want to see. No. I want to see Sai Lakshmi. I don't want to see the apple. Yes. Sai Lakshmi, I want to see you. Yeah. Little bit take a far. Yeah. Far from the apple. Yes. Stand far from the apple. Yes. What about the P. Nishwan? Where are you, Kanna? What about the Nishwan? Pritika. Pritika is already there. Yes. Sorry, Pritika. Jasna. Yes. Jasna, where are you? And P. Nishwan? Yes. Come. Do you have an apple? If you don't have an apple, as an apple, you think this is an apple, put it there. If you don't have an apple. Little bit take a far. Kaushik mom, little bit far. Apple, little bit far. If the apple is here, I will be there. Like pieces. 1 hand distance. It will be I want 1.5. Yes. Everyone is ready? Listen here. Listen to me what I say. You have to do. Okay? Just go back. P. Nishwan, where are you? Please switch on your camera. Parents, are you there? At least just clarify.
Ma'am, yes. We are
Okay.
there. He is little.
Let him be little far. Yes.
Yeah. He's not.
Yeah. Okay. Just now go back. I want to see your full body. Yes. Yes. Very good. Little bit come forward, Karna. Yes. Okay. Just stop. Stop near the chair. Yeah. Okay. Head. Where's your head? Head. Touch your head. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Eyes. Nose. Apple. Go and collect the apple. Where's the apple? Yeah, super. Go and collect the apple. Super. Again, you put it there. Again. Roll. Jump. Clap. Apple. Apple. Ritika, you just want to run and collect the apple. When I say apple, you have to just go, run away from your place and take the apple, okay? Again. Now I will go with the name. Sai Lakshmi. Kaushik. Harshit. Apple. Yes, correct. Super. We again play the game. Put it there. Head. Come forward. Yeah, come backward. Head. Sorry, head. Shoulder. Knees and toes. Head. Shoulders. Knees and toes. Apple. Okay. Sai Lakshmi and Kaushik have so much energy. They bring fastly. You bring the apple. Oh, very good. Again. Very good. Again. rosy lip, dimple chin, teeth within. Am I right? Apple, apple, apple. Wow, superb, superb, superb. Again, go back, go back. Put in the apple that side. Okay. Game over. I have a surprise for you. Sit down. Someone want to come and meet you. Guess who is that? Guess who is that? Who will guess? Who will there? What? How you know? Sit one place. Someone want to come and meet you. Sit one place and everyone have to dance with Santa Claus, okay? Because Sai Lakshmi's exposed. Clap, clap, clap. Dance, do dance. Dance, dance.
Good question. Good question. Dance, dance, dance. Dance with Santa.
Follow it. All the Santa is dancing. Do dance. Do. Superb. Superb. Santa Claus is giving gift to you. Everyone collect. Take the gift. Take the gift. Say hi, Santa Claus. Say hi, Santa Claus. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Santa.
Say Merry Christmas to Santa. Merry Christmas to Santa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bye bye, Santa. Thank you, Santa, for coming. Bye bye. Are you enjoy to meet Santa? Are you enjoy to meet Santa? See, Gurve, say fast. You have energy. Santa want to become a happy now. If you say yes, I'm so happy to meet Santa. Yes. Yes. See, look at here. Santa is giving gift for everyone. See how the Santa is giving gift to you, everyone, because all of you win the game. See. Super. Now everyone show me your craft work. Everyone show to me your craft work. Yes, show. After the class, take a photo with your craft and send it to me in our WhatsApp group. Okay? Yes, just
After
Craft, yes. Are you happy about the today's session? Say yes or no. Just show me. Are you happy?
Mean the bit.
Yes, super happy or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes. So wow, super. So what you have to do? Because tomorrow onwards is a holiday. Or the Christmas holiday. What you have to do? You don't need to simply play, okay? Little bit you have to do study also, okay? At home. You don't need to simply stand, play always, okay?
Okay.
Yes. All the boys and girls do help, okay? With your mama. Okay? Yes or no? So, enjoy your holiday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. What celebration is tomorrow? Again, I will ask you, what is tomorrow? Christmas. What is the day tomorrow? Date tomorrow? Today is a Friday. What is tomorrow? Saturday. Okay. What is the date tomorrow? 25th December. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So everyone enjoy your holiday. Okay. Be safe at home. Okay. Everyone, if you go out, you have when you come back to home, you have to wash your hand. Okay. If you go out, you have to use sanitizer. Be safe. Okay. Okay, kids. Yes. What do you have to do when you go out? You have to use sanitizer. Don't touch anything, okay? Be safe always.
Okay.
Yes. Enjoy your holiday, kids. Enjoy your holiday. Superb, superb, superb. After the class, you have to wear your cap. Wear your Santa cap and with your craft and send it me a photo. Send me a photo in our WhatsApp group. You have to wear your cap with the craft. You have to send me a photo in our WhatsApp group.